Am I the only one that didn't know ChatGPT can supercharge your scientific writing? Let's dive in. First things first, clarify your goal. Be specific with your requests. Instead of write about climate change, try generate an introduction on microplastics in marine ecosystems. Next, provide clear and concise prompts. Give context and specify the format. For example, draft a methods section for a randomized controlled trial with details. Leverage ChatGPT for specific tasks like brainstorming research questions or summarizing literature. Ask it to rewrite sentences for clarity or generate alternative phrasings. Always critically evaluate and revise. Double-check facts, ensure originality, and maintain your own voice. ChatGPT's output is a starting point, not the final product. Lastly, acknowledge ChatGPT if required by your institution or journal. Using ChatGPT can speed up your writing process, but remember it can't replace your critical thinking and scientific rigor. Now go ahead and make your scientific writing shine.